Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So recently I have been receiving several requests from people asking me to teach them how to use PixelLab, and that is why today I have decided to start a detailed course on using and mastering your PixelLab tools, and I would like you to join me on that journey. Before we continue, do well to click the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can be one of the first persons that get notification whenever we post videos. That being said, let's get into the video. So guys, we're going to be showing you how to use your PixelLab tools, and we're going to be starting from our top icons and we're going to walk down to the bottom and show you how to use every icon on PixelLab. So let's start with our plus sign at the top of our screen. So we have the top plus sign. Now we can use the plus sign to add, it's like either the plus sign or the add sign. You can use it to add text, to add current date, to add stickers, to add shapes, and to add images from your gallery, and even to draw. So let's practice it and let's see how it works. Now we have text. If you watch, there's a box that popped out with new text. Now you can edit this new text or you can leave it this way. So we have this. Let's undo. Also, we can add current date. By clicking it, you will notice that the current date would automatically appear on the screen. Can you see that? Let's undo also. We also have stickers. By clicking this, you'll be able to add stickers. You can add this basketball sticker, this light sticker, this chat box sticker, or emojis. Anyone you want to use for a design, you can add them. So let's say we are not using this. Okay. The next one is shapes. Clicking shapes, you'll be able to add shapes. And this is a square shape. You can either change this shape if you don't want a square shape, but you're going to get there. So by clicking there, you can add shapes also. Also, you can add from gallery. You can add pictures from your gallery. So let's click on this wine picture. As you can see, we've added this picture to our PixelLab. This is like importing your picture from your phone gallery to PixelLab. So let's undo. Also, we have to draw. You can also use that to draw whatever you want to draw on your PixelLab. Maybe you want to draw a cup, you can decide to draw a cup. So whatever you want to draw in your PixelLab. So that's it. That's what that does. Let's undo. So after that, let's move to the next icon, which is the save icon. Now we can save our work as project or as an image. Saving your work as a project enables you to always come back to the work. Maybe you were not done with your PixelLab design, you can always come back and then continue from where you stop. So let's just save this as a project. For example, let me first of all add something so that you can. Let me add this basketball. Okay, this sticker. So let's say we stop here during a design, and now we want to continue. We want to save as project, so we can come back and continue. You click on here, you save as project. Click on project name, sticker. Okay. Now if you watch, we can always come back to our project by clicking these three circles beneath. You see my project. If you click on it, notice you see all the projects I've been working on, but this is the recent project we just saved. So if I click on here, I can come back to my project. Are you sure you want to open the project? Yes, I can come back and continue from where I stopped in the design. Or we can also save it as an image. That's saving it directly into our gallery. Now to save, you must always understand that your dimensions must always be changed to ultra, because we have default, custom, low, medium, high, very high, and ultra. Make sure your dimensions are always set as ultra, and then your format is JPG. You can always change it. It depends on the format you want, either a PNG or a JPG format. But let's keep it at JPG, and then we can save this to our gallery by clicking save. It automatically renders the image and then saves it into our gallery. So this is now a design on our phone. Moving on, we can also see this is like a share button. If you want to share your design directly to Facebook, Twitter, Google, WhatsApp, Instagram, or the this, I don't know the social media, but this and this other one also. So if you want to share directly to Just you can click on it directly to just take it directly to sharing on Facebook, just like you've seen. Also, you can also share on any this thing you want. You can change dimensions. Always change dimension to ultra before clicking on the icon you want to share it. Also, we have the next icon, which is the quote icon. Now, this is used if you want to probably run a design for motivations for new week. You can just pick up quotes from here. Maybe you want to run a design on friendship, you can just pick up quotes from here, and it makes your work easier. You can export the quotes by clicking on here, click on friendship, then you can choose any quotes you want. Never have a confining that costs you in the shade. It automatically changes the premises friendship in mind. Okay, if you watch this, that automatically change the exported the quotes to my design. So I can either use this or not, but we're not going to be using this. So the next thing we have is this. Now these 3 dots on our right hand side shows us, talks more about our background. Talks more about our background. We can use here to use image from gallery. We can use this image to turn it to our background. For example, this you watch now, it becomes the background of the design. You can also use, it's easier to check the full screen of design, as if you want to use the image from your camera to make it your background, you can also do that. Also, if you want to export image from your phone, you can export it directly into your phone. Also, if you want to change the image size of, that is the background size, this is where you need, if you want to change it to probably an A4 size, probably a normal square. Right now it's in 835 width and 1280 height. Let's change it to probably a normal square, 1024. If you watch, the size of the design has changed now, and with this you can now do your design on this size. So it depends on the size you want to use for your design. Also, this is tutorials, like that's where PixelLab have recommended tutorials. If you want to learn how to use PixelLab, they recommend tutorials on YouTube. We also have recover, auto save. These are like everything you've saved on your phone, on your PixelLab rather. We also have about and exit, so we can do that. Then we have the undo key. This is to undo every action that have been done in your PixelLab. Now we have zoom. You can use this to zoom in and zoom out. We have the grid lines. This is used for alignment. Now when you click, if you notice, when you click the grid lines, we have another blue box that comes under. That is used to edit grid line. You can either put on your magnet, or you edit your grid lines by adding to the right or adding below, adding to the right, adding below, or deleting. You can either delete. Then you can also move them. Yeah. Then you can undo to return everything back to the normal. Then we have the layers. This is like the layers of everything you're doing on your design. Now we have our layers are empty because there's nothing on our design background. But if we add something, let me quickly add a sticker. If you add something, you will notice that our layers now have one layer, which is the sticker layer. So we've come to the end of today's video on understanding PixelLab tools. Next week we promise to continue from here and proceed from where we've stopped. I want to promise you that if you are very faithful and you keep up with our videos, you will move quickly from a novice to a professional designer in no time. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we post new videos. Also, don't forget to share to someone out there. See you next time. Bye.